It was good, though, guys.
Coming, that's why
It was good. Righto. Where do we where do you want to hold, Disco?
Let's not get cocky, guys.
No, I
Who's yelling?
want to.
No, both you and Threes together. I don't care.
I'm thinking.
Trace has other jobs to do. Turn me off.
I'm gonna give
I have.
a choice. We can either hold on the high ground, give our hunter room to fight, or we can play on the right side of point.
I prefer right side.
I prefer right.
The way I think about
Given
it is
that I'm
they're gonna have a
Reaper.
sim because of how well they did on the other map. So I wouldn't be surprised to have a sim strategy.
Yeah, so right side of point. Which
Yeah,
is
right side of
cool,
point, yeah,
so
right,
only
yeah.
me and Disco
right
this
side
way.
of point.
I can always go. I'm just gonna shoot a Sonic.
I'm going there. I'm just getting some ult charge.
Root back.
Whoa.
You
Sonic.
and me, bud.
Just Sonic at 5.
Get the Sonic.
Just you
Then
and
run.
me.
Yeah,
Doomfist.
Yeah, they got
I'll
Doom.
probably swap off.
Glenn, get on
damn.
high ground.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I'm just. So they got Doom. They got
DV,
Doom.
stay here.
Yeah.
Need to DM our Hanzo when shit comes at him. And then I can speed boost us over.
In this door.
Are they going lower right? No, they main.
No, Sombra.
They got
Don't-
some
Give us
pressure
Sombra again.
Sombra's.
Guys, they're coming up to you. Nice.
Come point,
Good.
come point, come point, come point.
Yeah, guys, come on.
I'm gonna let them back off now.
Come back. DM.
We're moving left side. Good work, team. Well done.
Diva Doomfist top left.
I'm playing
Watch out for the
back.
Doomfist.
Sombra's probably right side. Probably
Trying
Oh,
to
my
see the Doom is gonna go for a slam.
Fight check.
Someone teleported away.
It's Silver One. Silver One.
Nice.
Down.
Okay, they're gonna.
I'm playing pretty close to you because I'm
We don't
scared
have
of
to.
Doom.
We don't have to push on them here.
Yeah, we don't. They have to
Yeah,
reset
they're
here.
all in there.
Yeah, but they'll
All
fuck us in
out of their
there.
chaos.
They've got a Doom first.
Doomfist
So
is
let's
behind
go.
us.
Hey, Fifth when they
Chaos, get on the high ground above and start looking around.
Gotcha.
You guys
They're already there. We know they're there. We've got side
Not
arrow.
there, our high ground.
All good. Doom's coming somewhere.
Doom's no abilities. Doom's probably going behind. Winston's
Winston,
here. Winston's here. Can we get the Winston?
Oh, fucking.
Diva.
Both healers down.
Doomfist is half.
Doomfist is one. Doomfist is one.
Oh my god, I got Zenyatta.
Doomfist dead. How can Reinhardt? Oh no.
No, that's all good.
That's okay.
They put that. That was a lot of time though.
Yeah.
Yep.
A lot of time.
We've got short spawns, so please nobody die.
Yeah,
I might just swap off to
It's
Roadhog
okay,
or something
Vez. I'm
else.
being a tree.
Don't. If you swap to Roadhog, you can't deal with the high ground, and that will be very fucking bad.
Yeah, we need the high
There's
ground.
one behind us.
Yeah, guys, someone needs to.
Alright, fine, I'll stay Diva.
Nice.
It's okay.
Sombra's underneath on Mini.
The rest of them are high ground, I think. Or Winston's looking that way anyway.
Hey, what else do they have? What else do they have?
They will have their
Maybe
support
Doomfist?
ults.
They'll probably have
guys
because
are-
of trans.
Hey, David, don't fly. David, don't fly.
They're high ground. They're all high ground. I'm popping off.
Oh god.
Doomfist no punch. Doomfist no punch.
I can't really get up there.
No, it's fine, it's fine. I'm
Sombra
fine,
behind.
I'm
Sombra
No
transplant.
translocate. Doom coming in down.
I'm peeling.
fine. Huge pick.
Good shot. Let's push it.
I'm pushing it.
Winston knocked.
Zen's one. Good for Zen.
Guys, I found my.
Winston on me.
He
Winston on me.
was one, he was
Winston
one.
Diva Winston
I'm
one.
trying.
Diva Winston
I'm
one.
trying.
He's down.
Let's hold close. Let's hold close. Leave Diva demect. Leave Diva demect.
I took an aggressive Ryan, Reaper ult this next
I
push.
like it.
Leave it. Back
You let
off.
them fall in a bit? Yeah.
She wants to come off.
Don't feed her. Nobody feed her. Chaos, get back on high.
Yeah, don't worry. Oh, fuck me. I messed up.
Oh, she died.
Don't worry. I'm just spy checking.
That's a massive stall.
I can't believe she. Oh, what else? What else?
I think Sombra's behind us.
I didn't hear what they used.
Yeah. Spy checking.
Yeah.
with you.
Check the mini. I think she's at mini.
Keep spy checking.
Nah, Minnie's
Get
player,
on the high
Minnie's-
ground though. Get on the high ground though.
Oh, guys, what's the guys going to me now? I've got Shadow if we need it when he dives.
We're looking
My
at
shadow
aggressive Reaper.
Doom one. Yeah. Nice.
They're probably gonna go for
I can't block this.
EMP's coming in.
I'm gonna die actually.
I got Anna.
Only me.
Winnable.
Try fight. Don't use any.
Sombra low. Big.
Sombra, don't worry.
Okay, winnable.
They use Transcendence.
Alright.
Can you back up, guys?
Yeah, these trans too. These three ults.
You don't have
Come
any DPS. Come back, come back.
Get the win. Can we get the win?
I'm ulting to keep him up.
Bombing this door.
Same Chaos.
Got no one?
I'm trying.
Yeah, shit bomb.
I'm actually Shadow
Get
this.
the Winston. Get the Winston. Get the Winston. Get the Winston.
Winston. Doom's in.
If we can die.
I'm going high ground. Doom's high ground.
Winston high
That's a
ground.
lot on point.
Sombra's
That's
on
a
me.
lot on point.
I'm popping off.
Do him right there.
Yeah, Doom's right side.
Nice boom.
Doom is one.
Big.
Like literally one.
Zen's by himself behind point.
No, he's with Anna.
Zen's left side.
Oh,
Zen's
he's
left
with
side.
Anna.
I'm hacked. I'm hacked.
Zen and Anna.
I got Sombra.
Oh my god.
So they're gonna have trans. They're gonna have then
No,
definitely
they use Trent. They use
Doom on
Trent.
point.
If you want to use Shadow, go right.
No, I'm a soul shadow when he lands.
Doofus is just...
Here.
Doofus is one.
Huge guys, let's keep it going. Did
On
they
this top
use...
plate-
They'll have trans? Did they use nano?
No, they use trans.
They use trans. Ah, sorry.
The high ground, high ground, high ground, high ground.
Nice. Guys
Too far.
I have to cover.
Add a nade.
are coming. Sombra invis now.
Play a little more conservatively until we put out.
Use Shadow.
They nano doom,
I'm hacked. I'm
And
hacked.
the dead, and the dead, and the
Can't do
You
anything.
guys.
Come back.
We got their main healer though, that's good.
Oh no, I fucked it up.
Do my.
Yeah, he's down.
Nice.
He's down.
Okay, let's
We can still hold this corner.
aggress early.
Kill
Aggress
this
early.
monkey.
He's low.
Don't be afraid to beat this necessarily.
I'm gonna co now.
We're all here, we're all here.
Fuck you, Zen.
Alright. Can we shadow this fight?
Yeah. Okay. I'll.
Anna's up there alone. She's got no sleep.
I'm on her.
I'm sitting point for the Sombra.
I'm sweating.
Holding.
Yeah. Okay.
Disco.
They use nano.
Okay, let's try and hold early, but I'm gonna foot back to this corner so we can get LOS with Trace.
They might have trans again.
They might have. She may have EMP.
They might have monkey and they might have bomb.
Yeah, they probably
and
have
they will have
EMP.
EMP.
I'm gonna hide for EMP.
Yeah, they're gonna EMP bomb. They're gonna EMP bomb.
Yeah.
Oh,
Winston's
they're all
right.
high ground, all high ground, all high
I'm
ground.
DMing you, don't worry.
Yeah, no. I had raid. So.
Winston's coming to me.
Yeah. No.
He's trans.
We drew trans, big.
I'm DMing you. You're anti.
Oh my god, I got slapped.
I'm high ground.
Yeah, hold on.
I'm on the diva.
Someone behind, someone behind.
One of the
Nice, huge.
Doom dove me, doom
Anna's
dove
alone
me.
on the right side. Anna is alone on the right side.
I'm gonna bomb this.
Big shadow, Doom's one on point. Big,
Got the Doom.
big.
Oh, that's nice.
Absolutely massive, guys.
That bomb just landed over here. What the fuck was
Okay, they use nano, they use trans, they use bomb,
They
they use
trace it now
EMP,
instead
they
of
trace
somewhere.
it.
They use monkey as well.
They use monkey. They'll have no ults, guys. We have beat.
Let's just EMP. Let's just beat.
No, they used EMP there.
Yeah.
No, let's just
when
beat
they
below.
push
Trace
in,
the
we're
bottom
gonna
right,
beat.
trace the bottom right, going to cut.
She's under on mini.
You want me?
Doom on point.
They're all top right. Out on the sleep.
Shielding.
He's on point. Can we get a Doom? Chris, can we get a
Doom low, Doom low.
Doom one.
They're really low.
Doom can die, Doom can die.
Down.
Shielding. Hard shielding.
I got you, Disco.
2 seconds to left.
One.
Trace the dead.
And ping.
Nice. Cool. Nice.
Big.
There you go.
Big.
The buzz on fire.
Huge flanking call, Bez, on the Tracer.
Their main take is absolutely garbage. At the start he was rolling us, but
Go.
I feel
So,
like somebody's got bingo.
I said that intentionally because you can't.
righto,
let me
guys,
know.
because they're diving, I'm gonna stick on the Moira. Do we want Diva or Zar? I think Chaos wants to play Zar, but the Diva is working for the contest, but we could run Zar first point.
We need
When-
the diva.
Chaos wants hog.
Yeah, Chaos wants hog, but we're gonna run the Diva,
I want
Chaos.
hog.
We need the
so.
diva with the
Nah,
hard zone.
I'm not
to
gonna
change
risk it.
high
I'm
ground.
Diva.
Yeah. Glenn,
If
how
they
you
have
doing?
anything set
You're
up on
getting
high
some-
ground,
I'm
we're
okay,
gonna
man.
have to do it.
If he wants to play like not Diva hero, I can keep Sonic on high ground just to give vision.
I think he still needs it for the contest.
Yeah, we need to be able to contest
Yeah.
that high ground because
Yeah.
if they get to keep it, we're gonna have some trouble.
It seems like they're really
So where-
favoring. It
where-
seems like they're really favoring Doomfist here. So
Yeah.
Am I able to go for maybe a sneak? Am I just able to go for like a hooked pick on high ground? And then if it doesn't work, I'll swap to Diva.
No, because we haven't practiced it.
Yeah.
What, you get the time are you gonna
And
spend
also,
doing that?
the whole idea is ruined by one shield, and
No, it's okay.
have
Let's
to
see.
feed an entire hog.
Righto, guys.
Where are we
Disco,
passing?
where are you going?
Let's pass.
Let's go. Let's just see if we can try and get left side. But if we can't, let's try and go right side or
Okay.
Like
Okay,
right
okay.
high or right lower?
right low. Right.
Left side as in two.
Right.
Don't worry,
wrong.
just call where you're going. Just call where you're going, man.
There's no one top right. There's no one top
Follow
right.
the main
They're
tank.
point, they're
I'm
point, they're point, they're point.
They're on point. They're on
We
point.
can go high
gonna
right.
go high ground.
Eagle.
They're all
Sombra
in,
behind.
they're all in here,
Sombra's
they're
on
all
me.
in here.
Yeah.
Let's just go. I'm gonna go point. I'm
Sombra trans.
Sombra-
Doom's on our
Sombra's
Hanzo.
I got
point.
slapped, I got slapped.
One
I
for
got
one.
Right.
I'm trying to heal you,
Zen's
Glenn.
one. Zen's one.
We have
There.
one.
Disco,
getting out.
drop. I don't know, it's winnable now. Winnable.
Get
Put main healer for off
Shielding,
healer.
shielding.
Doofus left. Winston's high ground. Winston's on me. Winston's one.
I'm holding heals. I'm
I
low
need
on
to hold
resources,
shield. I'm
Disco.
Yeah, I'm holding shield right now. We missed half. Dude,
Okay, now we get out. Now we get out. Oh, jeez.
Oh,
maybe.
Fuck it, winnable.
no, we pushed this.
Fuck it, winnable.
If it's called winnable, just go in.
Die.
You got no tanks,
I'll
but
target something there. I'm not there yet.
I need healing.
Yeah, I'm out of
Somewhere right
resources.
side,
Somber right side, somber right side, somber right side. On Mega.
I'm with you, Vez.
Then what?
I'm staying point.
No, no, go die. Here comes Doom. Here comes Doom.
Doom's here, Doom's here.
Huge boot. Huge boot. Monkey's on point too.
Doom's one, Doom's one, Doom's one, Doom's one, Doom's one. Win.
Monkey gone.
Monkey.
They're gonna EMP, they're gonna EMP.
Nope, she's gone. She's out.
I'm sleeping.
Anna's half back to point.
I need a bomb.
Huge
This,
bomb.
I need
Huge
a
bomb. Huge bomb.
back.
Zen now. Zen.
Oh my god, there's one. But I died to tank.
I can't get anything done while this monkey's around.
I demark Diva again.
It's still winnable. Keep pushing.
It's definitely winnable, guys.
We might need a beater if we get it.
Where are we? I killed Winston.
Okay.
Are you there? Are we there?
I think we're out. We did well. We've only got one tick left.
We can still push this with what we've got.
No, we can't.
We've got to regroup S6, okay? But we can hold high ground maybe from the start if you support Glenn here, Chaos.
Like I'm already high ground.
So we
Yeah,
need
that's
to
what I'm saying.
support
Just
Fizz.
get up
The
there with
monkey's
him.
ruining Fizz because he can't ruin me
Yeah.
anymore. Fizz,
Okay, well,
I haven't
Fizz
heard
is
those
okay.
calls.
Oh,
big pick, guys.
Push it, let's go.
Can I get healed?
Winston, Doom this on me.
I can't help you in
One for one,
I
and we
got
got main
Sombra.
healer.
Big.
I have beat.
Doom.
Oh my god, Zenyatta's one on the back right of
I'm dead.
Oh my god.
That's okay, guys. That's okay. We can beat it this time.
You want me to swap here?
What to?
Nice.
There was a flaw in my approach.
You
Actually,
wish
go
to-
switch hog. Switch hog. Sit with me
Fine.
and peel.
Yeah,
Yeah, awesome. Let's do that.
no
Let's do it.
problemo. I got
Good.
you.
Are we? We're not here yet. Now we're here.
Let's go.
Can we just dragon this? Can we just
Okay, we're
dragon?
gonna go. I'm gonna aggressive beat.
Okay, let's go left side with it. Let's go left side with it.
No, just beat it. Doom this.
Everybody left. Everybody left.
Hey, no, big,
I got the Winston.
Fine.
Beat now.
No,
Beat
she's
now.
dead.
Oh, she's dead.
Oh fuck! I didn't see that.
This is like,
Fucking called it.
we
Yeah.
should have just beat it and we should have just gone in.
That's okay. That's okay, guys. We've got
Somber.
another chance. We've got another chance to reset. Don't panic.
I was speeding.
That's
Everybody
okay.
fucking
That's
turn
okay.
around.
That's okay. We've got another chance. We've nearly got Shadow. We've nearly got Co. We've got Beat. We're gonna do
Let's
this.
just go right side.
They're all camping up there. Can you see where they're all at?
Yeah, I can see where they all are.
Okay, either we aggressively push into them or like.
We just
No.
go point, I reckon. Just go point and
Okay,
then
just
get
go point
everything
now.
back.
Let's go point. Let's go point.
Beat.
But literally,
Beat,
just
they're
beat
coming.
now.
Good point. Doom this right side.
Beat.
Winston dead.
Can we beat?
Diva bomb, beat now.
Oh my god, no.
10 seconds.
Kill Sombra. Come on. Sombra is such a cheap hero.
Okay, guys. There were really good points. There were some bad points.